Hi everyone, this is a quick unboxing of the Asos October box. The cost is £12. I have no idea what's in there. It's the first time I'm opening this. I'd made sure that I did not look beforehand. So here we are. So go play, it says Asos. And then so here we know you're in high demand, so you should have access to the most wanted face, body. We don't want any of that, but this is basically the card that comes with it. It is multicultural. You've got all sorts of skin tones and wonderful, beautiful people there. So that's that. And now going inside, this is the box itself. Great. Okay, so I have no idea the total value of the items, but I'll put it at the end of the video so you can see. And this one is the Vita Liberata Body Blur, which is medium dark. Oh, okay, medium dark. Not bad. What is this? What is this? Warning, avoid with the eyes. And what is it? What is it? Body blur. Well, I'm assuming if it's saying body blur, then it means obviously smoothing out any kind of imperfections and so on. So that will be it. And this is the color latte. So I shall try and find out. And in here you have got 10 ml as well. So that's the first item. So all about looking good. Next one is Mercier, and this is the foundation primer. And just again, it's just sample size, and in this size you have got 15 ml. So I've never tried this one before, so that would be interesting. In fact, actually, whilst we are here, let's just unbox it so we can see what the consistency is like. Okay, so it's a bit creamy, but that's fine. I'm just going to have a sniff to see if there's a smell. There is no smell to it, so that's that one. And next item is this one, which is the from Origins, and normally Origin stuff is going to be fairly pricey. This is the Ginzing Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Great. I love gel moisturizers, and as an extremely oily person, still need to keep your skin hydrated, but I do find that using a whole load of creams and so on, it's too heavy for my skin. So the good balance is a good gel moisturizer, because it's much lighter but you still get to moisturize your skin. And in here you have got 15 ml sample as well. That's great. Actually, do you know what, I haven't even smelled it. Let's just smell it. I love smelling things, me. Yeah, so let's just smell that. I've just put it on my face. I'm so glad you didn't get to see that. Right, so I've got it on top of my lip now. Never mind, but there is a smell, and it's nice, and it's very light. Oh no, we can't be doing that. I need to move it out of the way. Right, okay. Next one is just a little card about Origin, and it tells you the information about it. Next one, which is the largest of the items here, and you've got 40 ml in here. This is Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Ooh, intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. So you can have a bouncy, shiny, elasticated hair. Ow, 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 ow. Slapping my own hand, not a good idea. Okay, so you've got this one here, which is Vital Hydra solution. So you can see that this actually, apart from the actual hair product, this is more about the skin and hydrating the skin. And this one is a deep hydration sheet mask, protects and moisturize barrier, and helps dry skin. Yeah, so this is interesting, and this is from Dr.Jart. Well, I think that's what it is anyway. So look, Dr.Jart. Okay, that's what it says. It's a single-use mask, and it's got 25 grams in there. And I think that's about it, really. So these are all the items in there. Value-wise, I have no idea. I would have to do some calculations and, breaking everything down in order to give you the true value of it. But I would think actually it's above the £12 mark anyway. But as to how much more above the £12 mark, I can't say. But that's it. That is the unboxing for this And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you haven't already. I do appreciate it. We are growing nicely, although there was a little bit of a glitch on my channel where it kept taking subscribers off and then putting them back on. It seems to have been settled down now, so I appreciate it. Thank you, and bye everybody. Bye.